Okay, hello guys. I am back with the full video of a FANG LEONE Burst remake. Um, I've used the templates made by CrazyAries to make this, but all the other stuff was actually made by me. And as you can see in the renders, it is both available in both modes, counter mode and defense mode. And it was printed by a friend of mine. I also made a sticker sheet for it, and you can find the link to download for the sticker sheet and the model in the description below. Now, the combo I used for it is FANG LEONE 00 Star Revolve. Here are the test battles, and I hope you enjoy.